Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back. I want you, hit you up. I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off. I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged. Your pheromones hit the roof. Auto your taste.
Buongiorno beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently rushing out of the house because I have done a little bit of work and gotten ready, but now it's almost 20 to 9 and I have a 9 a.m. appointment to the hairdresser just to get my hair cut, also because they didn't have enough time available to also dye my hair and color correct it, so they said to come by today, get my hair cut, then talk with the hairdresser to see what I want to do next time, and then book an appointment when things are a little bit less hectic to get my hair dyed and maybe do some sort of balayage. But yeah, I have to really rush because I'm really, well, almost going to be really late because I need to walk there. Just wanted to show you what I wanted to do before going. I don't even know if my hair is possible to do this, but I wanted to get some sort of like layers and long face framing, what they called, bangs or some sort, what they're called, yeah, long bangs, face framing, and a little bit of layers. I don't know, my hair is really weird, so I don't know if it's possible for them to do that, but we shall see. But yeah, I'm gonna go now and then I'll talk to you after. Right, I'm back from the hairdresser, where we think is much shorter. I think they took off, we calculated, around 6 inches of hair, and then they did a little bit of layers so that I have almost like curtain bangs, although right now they're curled, so you can't really tell. But yeah, I like it. I will never be able to make it this curly again, but I think it's cute. I really like it. And then obviously I need to see how it behaves after I wash it and I style it. But as I said, haven't colored it or anything, just a cut and a blow dry. And then they have the next appointment available for coloring is the 7th of June, so month and a half. So I don't know if I'm going to see whether maybe I can go to London and get it done there. But now I'm gonna have something to eat. I'm going to work a little bit more because I didn't do much this morning. Right, so in terms of what I'm going to eat, I'm going to make just a little bit of eggs and avocado, and that's literally, if I eat anything in the morning, that's usually what I eat every single day because I quite like it, to be honest. But yeah, it has been kind of tough keep going doing the intermittent fasting, just because I don't know, some days I have so much to do that I don't even realize that I'm hungry until lunchtime. So basically I trick myself into intermittent fasting, but most of the time, especially if I work from home and there isn't much at work that distracts me, then most of the time I'm hungry and I do struggle not to eat anything until coming lunchtime. So today, especially because we went to the gym yesterday, I need some protein. So yeah, I'm gonna make some eggs. And as well, I had a coffee this morning. I had a decaf coffee, as you saw. So I think I might make myself another decaf coffee, just because why not? I haven't had any other hairdresser, even though they offered me to. So I'll treat myself to one at home now. But yeah, today is not the most typical day for me to film my routine, because I haven't done anything that is in my routine so far. But on the other hand, if you're blessed enough that you can work from home, then I do try to juggle things around and work slightly before my start of the daytime, so that I can get, like today, get my hair done and I still have done a bit of work before then. And then as soon as I come back, keep doing my work. And then especially this works really well when we want to go to the gym, because we have this app that tells us how many people are at the gym, so we can judge whether or not we can go and actually get a workout done. Because when it's too busy, it's really hard to get a workout in. You have to wait for things to freeze. Sometimes they won't even freeze at all by the time you want to use that equipment, so it's a bit tough. So because I technically work every day from 9 a.m. until 5:30 p.m., then sometimes it makes more sense if my lunch break is much quicker than usual, or if I do a little bit more than usual and then we go to the gym at 4, come back at 5 and finish. Instead of finishing at 5:30, I will finish at 6 or even 6:30 if I need to. But yeah, I'm really blessed that I can sort of juggle my time like that, because my manager said that as soon as I get the work done and as soon as I work the hours that I'm meant to be working, then that's fine. So really blessed about that. But today I wanted to as well film, if it's not too busy when we go at 4, I wanted to film my upper body day. So yesterday I did similar to the one I just filmed on Saturday, the leg session. So yesterday I did legs and I did typical squats, as I said, just for forms and get back in the swing of things. And then I did good mornings, I did split squats, and then I did deadlifts, but not really, just a little bit to again check on my form. As well, I did some 45 degrees hyperextensions, and I went a little bit on the treadmill. So we ended up staying at the gym quite a long time, but I really needed it, and I was in such a good mood after the gym that I really missed that feeling of feeling so accomplished and walking out of the gym knowing that I gave my all. So yeah, I was really proud and really happy. So that's why today as well I'm really looking forward to do a little bit more of upper body, especially now that my lats have recovered. But yeah, I got my eggs here cooking. I'm going to now slice up this half an avocado that I have. I hope it's in conditions to be eaten. This is what I'm having now: 3 eggs, avocado, a bit of turmeric because of its awesome benefits. If you don't know them, I will Google them because it's really good. My decaf coffee. I'm gonna work with Mr. Leo here, that is looking at my eggs and wanting a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna work probably until a little bit past 12, 1 o'clock, and then I'm probably gonna be hungry again and have my lunch. Okay, so it's 1 o'clock now, and before I start cooking, I actually wanted to show you something that arrived today from ASOS. I got 2 massive bags, but most of the things are actually really boring and I don't really care to show. It's more like cycling shorts and things like that. But I got this super cute little jumpers, cardigans that are very much in because I keep seeing them everywhere. This one is with little pearls and a slightly bit thinner, and this one is more cropped, and this baby blue. I thought they were beautiful. They're a bit risque because I can't have a top underneath it at all. It's just my bra, but I wanted to try it. And then as well, the thing I was talking in the previous video where I went to Primark and I didn't find any dresses or anything cute. I actually, as I said, got a dress from ASOS, as well as these sandals from Aldo, which are actually adorable. I think they're super cute. And as well, I got other sandals. These are from Topshop, if I'm not wrong, which are a little bit high, and with this, I don't know what material this is, but yeah, super cute. So I just wanted to try them on just to see whether I want to keep them or return them, so I can just go tomorrow to the post office and get this done. So I want to pair them both with some high-rise mom jeans, just so the gap is slightly smaller. But I actually think this is really cute and adorable. And now that the weather is slightly warmer, so I don't have to wear a coat or a few layers, but still not hot enough where this is not gonna be okay, but I think it's adorable and you can't really see the bra too much. This one I kind of wish it was in a smaller size because it stretches quite a lot, but then it's really loose. It's slightly longer. I don't know if I would keep it or not. I feel like maybe it's too risky and perhaps I won't use it as much. This one, I really think it's adorable, but I don't know whether I would use a belt or I would just learn to have a more loose dress. But I think it's really cute, especially with the little sandals. I think it's adorable, but yeah, I don't know if I would wear maybe like that and have a belt like that, but I don't know, I think it's super cute. And it's a bit see-through, so I definitely have to find some skin color cycling shorts to go underneath. But yeah, I think it's adorable, and I really like the sandals with it. I think it makes it more relaxed and almost chic, even though you can't really tell. But yeah, I think it's really cute. I need to, as I said, learn how to wear loose dresses that are actually a little bit more stylish than just a fitted one. I think this is actually cuter with some glasses and a small purse. I think it would be cute. And I almost forgot, this is with the bigger sandals, especially if I have some nice earrings. I don't know, I think it could be really cute. But yeah, this is a weird angle and I can't go in the bedroom because it's a bloody mess and there's literally no space to stand, because as well we're trying to accumulate as many carton boxes that we possibly can, so that when we move we have, you know, a bit more and we don't have to buy as many. So the pile of boxes is currently located in the bedroom, which means that the whole room is almost as if a bomb exploded in there, because as well I can't reach the closet, so I'm less, you know, inclined into tidying up and put stuff back in my closet, because I have to move everything in order to access my closet. So yeah, everything is literally lying around everywhere. He's like the creepy man where he goes behind stuff and he thinks that he's disguised and we can't tell where he is, but obviously it's quite obvious that he's behind there. Huh? Did I spot you? Are you annoyed? Little baby. Lunch is served. We have a bit of roast veg, potatoes and bell peppers from yesterday. Then I just put some courgette on a pan, and then I cooked some king prawns because I'm really hungry, and actually this looks better than I thought it would. I'm gonna eat this now and then probably do work, and then we shall go to the gym.
Thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
Excuse me, sir. That's not your dinner. Come on. Right, so it has been a little bit hectic. I had a shower, starting prepping dinner because I have a call in less than 1 hour, in 35 minutes. So I had to get this done, but we're having sea bass, green beans, and some rice with turmeric and cumin. Just really quick, it's literally the quickest thing I could manage to make to still be able to eat digest the food and then have the call. So yeah, we're just gonna dig into it and then probably I'll see you later.
Drunk floating somewhere up in the clouds.
Good afternoon, it's the day after, and I just thought that it wouldn't be a routine or like spend the day with me if I didn't have a walk, because yesterday I didn't due to the hairdresser appointment, but I do an hour walk every day. Well, not an hour, like half an hour to 40 minutes walk every day, whether it's in the morning or in the afternoon, just because staying at the desk all day long, even if we do gym or workout or whatnot, is still not ideal and I don't really like it. But yeah, so having a walk and just getting a bit of fresh air right now. But yeah, I mean, this is everything. This was my day and pretty much what happens most of the time, except for a few exceptions. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!